Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to explore exactly how to use exclamation marks because there's a bit more to it than you might initially think. So what are the rules for using the exclamation mark then? Well, it's always placed at the end of a sentence, similar to a question mark or to a full stop. So it highlights the end of a main idea, a main clause or an independent clause, if that's how you like to word that particular part of the sentence. Exclamation marks are often used to highlight an extreme emotion, such as anger or excitement or even despair. So our example here is, I can't wait, exclamation mark, because the exclamation mark highlights, rather than just a full stop, a more extreme feeling. Don't also forget, finally, with an exclamation mark, that they can also be used to show an order, but it does not necessarily mean that it's an extreme emotion. So it's less typical in writing to use the exclamation mark for an order because of now the associations of it. But grammatically speaking, you can use it for this. So write this down, exclamation mark. Doesn't necessarily mean that the individual, if this is dialogue, is shouting or is angry. But actually that's the association we now come to have with it. So the exclamation mark is a relatively straightforward piece of punctuation. We just have to make sure we're aware of all of the rules when we employ it quickly and effectively. Therefore, as it ends a sentence, we know it means we don't have to have a full stop next to it. Thank you. Well done.